I just want to walk you through some of the tools that you'll see when you come to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So when you come to these video sessions, it will have probably your teacher's face right here. It wouldn't really say that you're the only one in the room because you're only going to be coming here when it's time for your teacher to meet with you and when you're ready to meet with your class. Down here, I'm going to walk through what these different buttons are. So this first button that will have a little picture of just a person, like a little profile. You can use this to give some different feedback. So you can mark that you've walked away for a minute. You can use this to leave the session at the end of your class time. You can give feelings. You can say that you want things to move a little bit faster, a little bit slower. You can agree that yes, everything's working fine. I can see you, I can hear you, or you could disagree with something that's been said. This button is to share your audio. So you see how these both have a slash through them? That's the way that things should be. So it should have a slash through your microphone and it should have a slash through your video, because you're only going to share your audio and your video when you're asked to. So you can share your video and then you'll be able to see that. I can't share my video right now because I'm recording. But when you're ready to share your video, you can share your video and people will be able to see you. You can also click this and then share your audio, and you see how this little light is moving up and down? That's registering my voice. And then I can mark to mute it. You don't want to have lots of audio going on because otherwise you'll hear everyone all at once and it will be really hard to listen, and then you'll get that feedback, that really bad noise that you might have heard from microphones before. Lots of video also can slow down the call and make things not work as well. It's also like a little bit of a privacy concern, so we want to make sure that we're not just looking at everyone all the time, that we're only looking at people when they're ready to be viewed. This little button is to raise your hand. So I can click it, and then that lets my teacher know that I want to say something, that I'm ready to answer. And this little number just says what order my hand is in. So if it said 2 or 3 or 4, then I would know that that's the order that I might be called on. When I click this arrow over to the side, I have some different options. So here in this little bubble that looks like a chat, like a talk button, I can type different things. So I can say something to everyone. When I say something to everyone, that means that everyone can see it. You can also send something just to your teacher, and that would be fine too. If the session is recorded, know that all of these messages are also recorded. And even if something is not being recorded, you would never want to say something in the chat that you wouldn't say out loud in class. When I click on the attendees, I can see all of the people that are here. These buttons are really just for teachers, but this is how teachers can share content, and these are how teachers can change the settings. This button up here is also for teachers to be able to make different decisions. So I hope that helps you kind of understand a little bit about what this room is going to look like, and really excited to see you.